Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting gear and mindset. Equip a mobility-focused setup and 2 healing options so you can punish openings. Once done, practice your double dash and wall jump rhythm for 15 to 30 seconds to make platform transitions reliable. Make sure to clear nearby foes and leave the arena with full health and about 1/4 soul. This reduces random pressure and lets you force the first phase shift on your terms. You now focus on reading attack cues. Watch the wind up before each slam and strike in the 0.5 to 1.0 second window immediately afterward to maximize safe damage. While doing that, weave quick focus between combos so you regain HP without losing tempo. Once you force the second form, make sure your mobility charms remain active. This is when you need to dash through flame patterns and punish isolations to keep momentum. You finish by committing to a clear stagger window. When Nightmare King Grimm staggers, unload a focused nail combo while holding space to maintain position, then back off before the next big flame. If you get clipped, make sure to use a single heal and immediately reposition to the central platforms to avoid follow-up traps. If things go wrong, switch to a ranged charm or raise aggression tempo. This breaks phase stalls and forces error-prone attacks from the bot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.